Easy lift equipment drum haulers continue to be the most ergonomic solution for gripping, lifting, transporting, and weighing drums since 1997. Before operating any of our drum handling equipment, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. This video is designed to assist in the training and safe operation of your drum hauler. Non-rotating drum haulers provide operators with a safer and more ergonomic solution for handling a wide range of steel, plastic, or fiber chimed drums in high-volume applications and either with or without lids. Drum haulers are available with either our Eagle Grip 1 Series single clamping mechanism or our Eagle Grip 2L Series double clamping mechanism. Both the EG1 and EG2L are completely mechanical and require no hydraulic or electrical connections. EG1 and EG2L clamps are both capable of gripping, lifting, and transporting steel, plastic, and fiber chimed open-top drums either with lids or with the lids removed, as well as closed-top steel drums. Prior to using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines, fittings, battery, and electrical cords to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To power up the drum hauler, first rotate the red emergency switch clockwise to energize the unit. Then turn the key to the on position, which will illuminate the 2-inch display. Prior to beginning, the operator should verify that all functions are in proper working order. This includes the lift and lower controls that are located on the top and bottom of the tiller handle. The ergonomic tiller handle is used to steer the drum hauler when the unit is in forward or reverse travel. The tiller handle also features a reversing safety collision bumper. If the collision bumper contacts the operator when moving in reverse, the drum hauler will immediately stop and move forward to help prevent injury. The tiller handle also includes a horn button for safety, as well as a turtle switch which allows the drum hauler to be moved while the tiller handle is in a fully upright position, as well as offer a creep function for precise positioning. To charge, first ensure that the drum hauler is turned off. Then unplug the SB175 connector from your drum hauler and connect the charger cable to the battery. It is important to ensure that the charger is only connected to the battery and not to the drum hauler, as this could cause damage to the unit or charger. Once properly connected, the Mac charger will cycle through a series of lights ensuring a proper connection. It will then begin charging after a few second delay. Once the orange charger on and red incomplete lights are lit, charging has begun. The red incomplete light will stay lit until the battery reaches the orange 80% charge. Once fully charged, the green charge complete light will illuminate. When charging is complete, disconnect the charger from the battery and reconnect the battery to the drum hauler. Once fully charged, turn the drum hauler on. The drum hauler's large 24-volt industrial battery allows the machine to run continuously from 12 to up to 16 hours on a single charge. Charging times range from 6 to 8 hours. Please refer to the manual for complete charging instructions. Seen here is the drum hauler with an EG1 clamp handling drums with the lids removed. Move the drum hauler forward so that the EG1 clamping head makes solid contact with the operator-facing side of the drum. It is recommended to apply slight forward motion when raising the clamp so the front of the clamp is pressed firmly against the side of the drum, ensuring a secure grip onto the chime of the drum when the clamp is raised. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting the drum to the required destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. Once the drum's destination has been reached, lower the EG1 clamp so that the drum is lowered to the floor and the clamping jaws disengage from the chime of the drum. Once the clamping jaws have been fully released, back the drum hauler away from the drum. Repeat the same process for clamping and raising a plastic drum. As seen here, the EG1 clamp is capable of clamping and raising a plastic drum with the lid removed. However, the EG2L double clamping mechanism is strongly recommended when handling plastic or fiber chimed drums weighing more than 600 pounds, light gauge open head steel drums, or any drum in which the lid is removed. We'll cover more of that later in this video. Here is the EG1 clamp gripping and transporting a fiber chimed drum with the lid removed. It is important when approaching the drum to ensure that the lower clamping jaw rests above the lower skirt of the metal chime. If the clamping jaw catches below the lower skirt, inadvertent damage may be done to the fiber portion of the drum. The EG2L double clamping mechanism is more ideal for fiber chimed drums as it features a fiber drum guard, which will be shown later in this video. Here is a drum hauler with an EG1 single clamping mechanism conducting the same application with a steel, plastic, and fiber chimed drum, but this time with the lids closed. Drum haulers come standard with a safety orange powder coating for durability. They are also available with an FDA-compliant metallic gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both FDA-compliant powder coating and stainless steel construction offer food-grade grease and hydraulic fluid for food or pharmaceutical applications. Both forward and reverse travel speeds can be customized on drum haulers with the 2-inch display, which is seen here. Easy Lift equipment can custom preset 3 travel profiles to tailor to customer needs prior to shipping the equipment. Once the equipment is on site, however, reprogramming the travel profile speeds must be completed by a licensed Jungheinrich dealer. Due to the custom speed modification option of the 3 travel profiles, these units are ideal for picking, lifting, and transporting drums over long distances, both safely and efficiently. It is recommended when traveling long distances with a load for the operator to pull the unit behind them. Switching out clamping heads is an easy process consisting of first removing a circle cotter pin as well as a single stainless steel retaining pin and sliding the clamp up and out of the mast. Next, remove the circle cotter pin and stainless steel retaining pin from the new head and install it into the mast, lowering it to the desired height. Reinstall the stainless steel retaining pin and circle cotter pin to secure the clamping head into place. The clamping heads are also adjustable to handle shorter height drums by removing the same circle cotter pin and stainless steel retaining pin and lowering or raising the clamp position on the mast accordingly. While both the EG1 and EG2L are capable of clamping steel, plastic, and fiber-chimed open-top drums either with lids or with the lids removed, the EG2L double clamping mechanism is strongly recommended when handling plastic or fiber-chimed drums weighing more than 600 pounds, light-gauge open-head steel drums, or any drum in which the lid is removed. Move the drum hauler forward so that the EG2L clamping head makes solid contact with the operator-facing side of the drum, seen here handling a steel drum. It is recommended to apply slight forward motion when raising the clamp so the front of the clamp is pressed firmly against the side of the drum, ensuring a secure grip onto the chime of the drum when the clamp is raised. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance while transporting the drum to the required destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. Once the drum's destination has been reached, lower the EG2L clamp so the drum is lowered to the floor, and the clamping jaws disengage from the chime of the drum. Once the clamping jaws have been fully released, back the drum hauler away from the drum. The design of the EG2L allows the clamping jaws to have 2 points of contact, which helps disperse the weight of the drum and minimizes distortion. Follow the same clamping practices as stated earlier when approaching, clamping, and transporting the drum. The self-propelled travel of the drum hauler requires no manual pushing or pulling and is ideal for all operators, and is designed to handle drums of varying weights both with or without lids. The EG2L double clamping mechanism features fiber drum guards for handling fiber-chimed drums. Engaging the fiber drum guards is an easy process consisting of first, removing the hairpin clip from the clamping head. Then, pushing the fiber drum guard into the forward position and reinstalling the hairpin clip, as seen here. Then, repeat this same process for the other clamping head. The fiber drum guards are designed to help prevent the lower clamping jaws from damaging the fragile paper portion of the fiber drums below the metal skirt. Great care should still be taken to ensure the clamping mechanism only contacts the metal skirt and locking band, and not the fragile portion of the fiber drum. The green thumb control lever on the tiller handle provides forward and reverse travel at variable speeds, enabling safe controlled movement even in tight operating areas. Here is a drum hauler with an EG2L double clamping mechanism conducting the same application with a steel, plastic, and fiber chimed drum, but this time with the lids closed. The compact 28.5-inch wide base frame of the drum hauler allows for traveling in congested areas, is able to pass through standard 30-inch doorways, and can maneuver in tight spaces. Drum haulers with an EG1 or EG2L clamp are available in varying weight capacities of up to 1,000 pounds and starting at 20 inches of lift. Drum haulers with either an EG1 or EG2L clamp both feature a heavy rubber belt to rest against the lower side of the drum. The belt reduces the possibility of cosmetic damage or denting to the drum while handling. The EG2L double clamping mechanism features fiber drum guards for handling fiber chimed drums. Engaging the fiber drum guards is an easy process consisting of first removing the hairpin clip from the clamping head, then pushing the fiber drum guard into the forward position and reinstalling the hairpin clip, as seen here. Then repeat this same process for the other clamping head. The fiber drum guards are designed to help prevent the lower clamping jaws from damaging the fragile paper portion of the fiber drums below the metal skirt. Great care should still be taken to ensure the clamping mechanism only contacts the metal skirt and locking band, and not the fragile portion of the fiber drum. When the operator has finished handling fiber drums, it is important to disengage the fiber drum guards prior to attempting to handle steel and plastic drums. Disengaging the fiber drum guards is done by removing the hairpin clips from the clamping heads, then reverting the fiber drum guards back into the rear position and reinstalling the hairpin clips. Drum haulers are available with either the EG1 single clamping mechanism or EG1 spark-resistant clamp option, as well as the EG2L double clamping mechanism or EG2L spark-resistant clamp option. Choosing the appropriate clamping head all depends on what drum types and weights are being handled for your specific application. Drum haulers are also available with an Intertech-approved EE rating. Both the spark-resistant clamp option and Intertech-approved EE rating are shown here. Drum hauler models are also available with a 24-inch extended reach, which allows the operator to pick or place drums from one side of a standard 48-inch pallet when all four sides of the pallet are not accessible. This can be beneficial depending on how drums are stored in production areas. Optional scale systems are also available for intrinsically safe and non-intrinsically safe areas, thus permitting an operator to quickly verify drum weights or perform inventory. Starting in 2019, all Easy Lift Equipment drum and roll haulers now come standard with a PVC footguard safety feature to help prevent operator injury. Drum haulers are also capable of traveling up and down ramps or sloped floors. Traveling up ramps or sloped floors should be completed with the operator walking forward with the load in front of them. This increases the weight exerted on the drive wheel, allowing for more traction and control. Traveling down ramps or sloped floors should be completed with the operator walking ahead of the load, with the unit behind them. Again, this increases the weight exerted on the drive wheel, allowing for more traction and control. When finished, you should always place the drum hauler in a safe location, lower the clamp, and turn the equipment off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.